BigBuy Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to BigBuy and related resources can be found in the description below. BigBuy is a dropshipping and wholesale platform based in Europe, offering an extensive catalog of products, including electronics, home goods, fitness equipment, and more. Designed to simplify sourcing for e-commerce businesses, BigBuy handles storage, packaging, and shipping, enabling merchants to operate with minimal overhead. One standout feature of BigBuy is the ability to integrate with multiple marketplaces, such as Amazon, eBay, or Rakuten, and major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and PrestaShop. This wide coverage means you can streamline product imports, inventory management, and order fulfillment directly through BigBuy's system. Additionally, the platform supports automated repricing and product synchronization, so your listings remain accurate even if supplier costs or stock levels fluctuate. Regarding strengths, BigBuy's European warehouse location appeals to store owners targeting customers within Europe, as shipping times and costs are typically lower than if items are shipped from Asia. Merchants can also brand their packages for a more cohesive customer experience. BigBuy's user interface simplifies product selection, complete with multilingual support and currency options, helpful if you plan to sell across multiple countries. Another bonus is the data feed tool, enabling bulk uploads and quick catalog updates, saving time for those scaling their product ranges. Additionally, BigBuy provides dedicated customer service, assisting with troubleshooting or helping to integrate your store for seamless operations. However, there are certain weaknesses to consider. Monthly or annual subscription fees, coupled with per-order costs, can quickly become a drain on your margins if your store's volume isn't high enough to offset these expenses. While the European fulfillment is ideal for nearby customers, shipping to other continents may result in longer transit times and higher costs, potentially deterring global buyers. Some merchants find BigBuy's product prices less competitive than larger Asian suppliers, which can compress profit margins unless you differentiate your store through marketing or branding. Also, keep an eye on stock availability, as high-demand products may sell out quickly, causing potential order cancellations if inventory data isn't regularly updated. All things considered, BigBuy is an excellent option for dropshippers aiming to serve European markets with faster shipping, professional branding, and automated integration. Its extensive product range, supportive customer service, and automation tools help reduce the complexity of cross-border e-commerce. If your store strategy aligns with these advantages and you budget carefully for fees, BigBuy can significantly enhance your dropshipping operations.